Ever wondered when you can finally verify your Kraken address and unlock all the platform's features? You're not alone. Let's dive deep into the world of Kraken address verification and uncover the secrets behind a smooth and successful experience. Why address verification matters. Before we jump into the specifics, let's understand why address verification is crucial. Think of it as your digital passport. It's a vital step in boosting security. Verifying your address adds an extra layer of security to your Kraken account. It helps prevent unauthorized access and protects your funds. Increasing limits. Once your address is verified, you can often enjoy higher withdrawal limits, faster transactions, and access to more advanced trading features. Complying with regulations. Address verification is essential for complying with various financial regulations and anti-money laundering (AML) laws. Kraken operates within a regulated environment, and address verification is a fundamental part of their commitment to responsible financial practices. When does address verification happen? Now, the burning question: when can you expect to verify your Kraken address? The answer depends on a few factors. Account type. The level of verification required varies depending on the type of Kraken account you're creating. Standard account. This usually involves basic KYC, know your customer, checks, including identity verification. Address verification might be a part of this process or a separate step. Verified account. This typically requires more extensive verification, including address proof. Pro account. This is for professional traders and often has stricter verification requirements, including address verification. Country of residence. The specific requirements and timelines for address verification can vary based on your country of residence. Verification method. Kraken may offer different methods for address verification, such as uploading a utility bill. This is a common method. Ensure the bill is recent, usually within the last 3 months, and clearly displays your full name and residential address. Bank statement. A recent bank statement can also be used as proof of address. Government-issued ID. In some cases, your government-issued ID might contain your address. The verification process, step by step. Let's break down the general address verification process on Kraken. Locate the verification section, navigate to your account settings or the verification page within your Kraken dashboard. Choose address verification, select the address verification option. Select verification method, choose the method that best suits your situation, utility bill, bank statement, etc. Prepare documents, gather the required documents and ensure they are clear, legible, and in the correct format. Upload documents. Upload the documents securely through the Kraken platform. Review and submit. Review the uploaded documents carefully for any errors and then submit your verification request. Tips for a smooth verification. Here are some valuable tips to ensure a smooth address verification experience. Use high-quality images. Ensure the images of your documents are clear, well-lit, and free from shadows or glare. Meet document requirements. Carefully review the specific document requirements outlined by Kraken. Pay close attention to acceptable document types, date ranges, and required information. Double-check information. Before submitting, double-check all the information you've entered to avoid any delays. Be patient. The verification process can take some time. Kraken needs to review your documents thoroughly to ensure their authenticity. Troubleshooting common issues. What if you encounter issues during the verification process? Here's how to troubleshoot some common problems. Document rejection. If your documents are rejected, carefully review the feedback provided by Kraken. Common reasons for rejection include incorrect document type. Ensure you're using an acceptable document. Invalid date range. Make sure the document is within the acceptable date range. Poor image quality. Ensure the images are clear and legible. Missing information. Double-check that all required information is visible on the document. Verification delays. If your verification is taking longer than expected, contact Kraken support for assistance. Staying updated. Keep yourself updated on the latest verification requirements and procedures by checking the Kraken Support Center. The Kraken Support Center provides comprehensive information on account verification, including FAQs and troubleshooting guides. Reviewing the Kraken Terms of Service. The Terms of Service outline the platform's policies regarding account verification and KYC procedures. Subscribing to Kraken updates. Stay informed about any changes to verification procedures by subscribing to Kraken's email updates or following their official social media channels. Address verification is a crucial step in your Kraken journey. By understanding the process, preparing your documents correctly, and following the guidelines, you can ensure a smooth and efficient verification experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.